On June 24th, Nike's dropping the Dunk Low in the University Blue colorway with a retail price tag of $100. Now, as the popularity continues to grow for the Dunk Low silhouette, they become increasingly hard to cop for retail. You pretty much always got to go out and pay resale if you want a particular colorway in the Dunk Low silhouette. And with a colorway like this one, with the UNC or University Blue, I know it's going to be very, very popular. I think it's going to sell out really, really quickly. I know it's going to be hard to get. And I actually have an early pair in hand today. So in today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be bringing you a full detailed review, and I'm going to hit you with it on feet. And we start right now. I'd like to take a moment out to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out to stop by and watch another video. I really, really appreciate it. We're on that road to 2,000 subscribers, and this channel isn't even a year old yet, so I really, really appreciate all you guys who always support me every time I drop a video. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James, and I do content on sneakers, gear, and sports-related items. And if you all could do me a big favor and destroy that like button for your boy, I would really, really appreciate it. It helps to put my videos out in front of more people and really helps the channel grow. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop one of these bangers, and you don't miss anything. Now, I'm really excited for today's video because not only is this sneaker something that I really wanted to get, but it's also an early sneaker that hasn't even dropped yet in the United States, so I'm able to bring this review to you. And I got it right here. Bam! And it just comes in your regular Nike box, the red with the white. We see a lot of Dunk Lows released in this box. And on the official size tag, it reads Nike Dunk Low Retro, and the colorway is white, University Blue, white, and this is a size 8. So when you first open the lid, you're going to have white tissue paper. And here's our first up close look at this Nike Dunk Low in the University Blue colorway. BAM! Now, my first impression right out of the box is this is a very, very fire sneaker. I really like it a lot. The colorway is very, very nice. It does look really great in hand. Even the materials, I know a lot of people complain about the lack of the quality on the Dunk Lows. I guess they used to be better at some point, but you know, they went a little bit cheaper route. But in my opinion, it's not as bad as everybody says. The leather does feel kind of, you know, buttery. It is definitely better than like a Jordan 1 Low. And, you know, I don't know. It's not that bad, really. I mean, so if you see people complaining about the leather quality, yeah, it could be better, definitely. I mean, it's not like premium quality or anything like that, but it's definitely not as bad as a lot of people make it out to be. Now, over the last 6 months, Nike and Jordan Brand have released quite a few different sneakers with the University Blue colorway attached to it. We had the University Blue 1s, we had the University Blue 4s, we even had the Hyper Warrior ones, which isn't exactly a University Blue colorway, but they were all hype sneakers. A lot of people went after it. A lot of people took L's. It was very hard to get. The resale prices are very, very high. And now we got the Nike Dunk Low in the University Blue colorway. And if you're like me and you caught L's on all those sneakers, this is probably a nice consolation prize. But now that I got the sneakers out of the box, let's go ahead and take an up-close look and do the review for the Nike Dunk Low University Blue. Alright, so let's take our first up-close look at this Dunk Low. Now, the whole colorway is blue and white. You're not going to find any other colors on this sneaker. Now, when it comes to the leather quality, it is synthetic. It's not like premium leather or anything like that, but it's way better than like a Jordan 1 Low or a Jordan 1 Mid. It's not as bad as a lot of people make it out to be. So if this is a sneaker that you're thinking about picking up, when you hear people say that the leather quality sucks, you know, in my opinion, it's not as bad as people make it out to be. You do have the University Blue Nike swoosh here in the center of the sneaker, sits on this white panel. You do get an all-white midsole, sits on an all-blue outsole. Now, moving to the front of the sneaker, you will get a white tongue, and it does have a white patch with the University Blue Nike logo at the top. You do get blue laces with this sneaker. No other laces come in the box or attached to the sneaker. Your lace loop is in white. Now, the front toe box right here, you do have that synthetic leather with the perforated holes. And it's not the softest leather or anything like that. It's not a deal breaker for me, but yeah, it definitely could be softer, more tumbled leather for sure. Now here's a nice shot of the back of the sneaker. At the top, you're going to have your Nike lettering that is stitched on both sneakers. You do have your perforated threading right here like you get on most Dunk Lows. Overall, it looks really, really nice from the back. Inside of the sneaker, you will get a university blue sock liner with a university blue insole with the Nike logo in white. Now, there's not a whole lot to go over when it comes to this sneaker. It's pretty simple, it's pretty basic. There's only 2 colors on it. The materials aren't horrible. This only retails for $100, and if you're able to catch a dub for the sneaker and pay retail and only pay $100 for the sneaker, I think you'll be pretty happy with it. But now that I did the review, let me go ahead and show you what they look like on feet. Now this sneaker is very similar and almost identical to the Dunk Low Coast that was a women's exclusive a few months back, and the resale prices on that sneaker are between like $300 and $400 depending upon size. So I know that this sneaker, when it releases, is going to be hard to get. It's going to sell out really, really quick, and the resale prices are probably going to sit around that same range. So you could probably expect to have a little bit of difficulty when this sneaker releases on June 24th. And in my opinion, this Dunk Low with the UNC colorway is a great summer sneaker. The colorway is just very bright, it's very vibrant. You can match this with different clothing options. You don't even have to match it completely the way that I am right now. Different, khakis or cargo pants or, anything like that. Like this matches a lot of things. You could put a lot of outfits together for the summertime. But when it comes to this sneaker, I really do like it a lot. The colorway is fire. It's a pretty comfortable sneaker. It's not the most comfortable sneaker in the world. Definitely go true to size. I normally wear a size 8 in Dunk Lows or Jordan 1s, and that's what I picked up here. Fits me perfectly, so I recommend going true to size. But I want to know what you guys think about the Dunk Low and the University Blue colorway. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope? Or is this trash? Comment down below and let me know what you think. I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Good luck on June 24th. And until next video, peace.